Hey guys, welcome to another ColorCl color contact comparison. Another shout out to Gente Scoof who requested this particular comparison. Like I say in all my videos, if you guys have any color contact comparisons that you would like done, and it can be from any company, it doesn't have to be from ColorCl. If I have the pairs, I will do a comparison video for you. Obviously, both of these are green. I looked up the specs on these. They both have the exact same graphic diameter. For some reason, the Peridot bleeds onto the sclera, and so there is a little bit of a green outline on the white of my eye. So I'm assuming there's less pigment in this one as opposed to this one, because there really is no bleeding over effect with the Parrot Green. Color-wise, this has a lot more yellow undertones. This is more of a darker, I want to say it has a slightly blue undertone, but it's very, very slight. This just basically comes off as a darker green. The Peridot also, I find, I like the pupil design better than the Parrot. It's more blended, so in terms of pupil design, Peridot wins. Obviously, the Parrot looks more enlarging, and I think it's just because the Parrot has more pigment. Color gradient-wise, they're both lighter in the center, kind of yellowish in the center, just to make the pupil hole more blended. I showed these contacts to my brother and brother-in-law, and they both preferred the Parrot Green. But I, however, preferred the Peridot. So everybody's gonna have a different opinion. Both of these pairs are available in prescription. They last 6 months. You can get them for $13.50 US with my discount code Danica10. In terms of updates, I have not heard anything from ColorCl. I don't know when they're going to be dropping a new line or what is going on with that. Right now, I'm working on getting more Siesta reviews out for you guys. I know a lot of you don't like Siesta. It's too much money. It's not comfortable. But they're really popular contacts, and aesthetically, they are really well designed. I'm going to be continuing to put out individual reviews for Siesta. I'm trying to get a hold of the Anesthesia Addict Blue for you guys because I've gotten so many requests for it, and a lot of people are claiming that this is one of the best blue contacts in the world. So I want to test that. And I know a lot of you have been requesting Elite lenses. I've had a lot of trouble contacting this company. I don't know, I just can't get lenses from them, and I don't want to keep bothering them. So when I get a lot of extra money, I'm going to drop, $400 for you guys. Like, it's a write-off for me. So I'm going to drop it on all of the Elite lenses for you guys, because I know that these are really well-designed lenses. I've seen other videos of them. If these lenses are one of the best in the world, I am going to get a hold of them for you. So for those of you that have been really pining for the Elite lenses, that is coming, and hopefully before summer I will have reviews of them. Thank you guys so much again for watching and requesting videos. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!